The Mapsa Municipal Council inaugurated the renovated Olympic Garden opposite the Civil Court at Altino Mapsa on Saturday. The inauguration was carried out by Joshua Peter D'Souza. The garden has been reconstructed under the CSR initiative by the Mrs. Cosma Costa Construction Private Limited, led by Cosma Costa. The project aims to provide residents with a refreshed and well-maintained public recreational space.
द प्री लिबरेशन एरा टू टुडेज टायम तेंच्यांनी हे बरे भाशेन गोंयभर काम केलेलें आसा. हांव मुद्दमूच तांकां पयले स्वातेन देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कारण हें गार्डन रिवायव करपा खातीर इट वॉज नॉट ओन्ली अ मॅटर ऑफ अ विजन, बट इट वॉज अ मॅटर ऑफ फिटींग एवरीथींग टुगेदर. आमकां खबर आसा वी आर लॅकिंग फॉर स्पेसीस इन म्हापसा city. Mapsa city is a very compact space, and this is one of the oldest gardens in Mapsa city, and to fit everything in this space was the biggest challenge. But Ryan, his entire team of people that have worked night and day, हांगसरलो एक prominent मनीस सांगी म्हाका सकाळी फुडें 9 काम सुरू जातालें, चालू रात मेरेन हें काम चालू आसतालें. It shows the dedication towards uplifting this garden. हांव मुद्दम सांगूंक सोदता that this garden has more meaning than just being an Olympic garden. This garden has been there for I don't know, more than 60 years, maybe more, maybe 70 years. हांगा आमच्या मदीं उलयतना जायते सिनियर सिटीजन्स सांगताले आमी ल्हान आसले तेन्ना आमी हांगा शेवल्या. So this is how old this garden is. This is how significant this garden is. Madam, come. Yeah. How significant this garden is. I want to say that I have also played here. आमी ल्हान आसले तेन्ना आमचे पायचे ऑफिस तेन्ना तो लॉयर प्रॅक्टीस चालू आसले तेन्ना कोर्टाचे सुमार तेंचे ऑफिस आसलें, आनी हांगरूच आमी स्कॉल सोंपले, ट्युशन सोंपले की आमी मुद्दम ऑफिसान या म्हणून मामीक सांगताले, सो दॅट वी कूड कम एंड प्ले इन दिस गार्डन. सो दिस गार्डन मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी पर्सनली. तशेंच इट मेंट अ लॉट टू बाब रायन कॉस्ता. जशें आमी ल्हानपणाच्यान हांगा शेवताले तशेंच बाब रायनानूय शेवला, तेजो भाव कालूय शेवला, तेजो आनी एक भाव आसा मात, तेणें हांगा सगल्यांनी म्हाका दिसता जायते हांगा मस्ती केलेली आसा. वेन आय से मस्ती आय मीन टू से वेरी इनोसंट टायप ऑफ मिस्चिफ. वी प्लेड इन द सॅन्ड. आमी उदी काडून रेंव आहले हांगा करून आमी वी यूज्ड टू ट्राय टू बिल्ड castle. So we have done lot of things in this park. But most importantly, the highlight of this park is to have something special for each and every age group. जर आमी हांगा पळोवपाक गेल्यार प्रत्येक एज कॅटेगरीच्या लोकांक हांगार कितें तरी करपाक गावतलें. And that was the biggest challenge for Bob Ryan, to fit all these concepts into one space, so that we could have something for everyone, to have something for people who are senior citizens, to have something for the youngsters, to have something for the children. So एक children section जावन आसा, एक central courtyard आसा, हांगा bandstand जावन आसा. There is a outdoor gym over there. There is a pickle court over there. There is a swing slide. There are monkey bars. So everything that requires today's physical fitness, and keeping in line with the theme of it being an Olympic garden, we wanted to have some Olympic related activities here. That is the whole concept of this garden, and I think everybody seems to be very happy to be here. सगळे जाण बरे खोशयेन. आमी इतले लोक एक्सपेक्ट करूंक ना, तेजेकीन चड लोक हांगा पावलेले आसा. सो अगेन थँक यू वेरी मच टू Bab Ryan Costa, Carl Costa, and senior Bab Carmine Costa, and his entire team that has worked night and day. A special thanks to the councillor of this ward, Kishori Kurgaonkar, for accepting this proposal, for going ahead with this proposal. तेंच्यांनी तेंचे चलयान बाब चेतन कोरगांवकरान जायते मेहनत घेतलेले आसा to make sure that this park took place.